In this video, let us talk about another feature of MS Excel. In this particular tab, we have a data set. And this tab contains sales data of different zones. You can see that zone 1 to 8 and the sales volume data is there. So from this data, how can we plot a chart? Let me select this data range and then we need to go to insert and there are charts there. Let me select the first one, 2D clustered column chart, and let me resize this particular chart so that we can view it properly. So this is the chart we have, and here we have zone wise sales data for quarter 1. So that's the data. Now, if you have a requirement to add an average line on this particular data, maybe that will come something around here. One particular line needs to be plotted, which will showcase what's the running average of your sales volume. So let's see how we can achieve that very quickly. First of all, let me come back to this data, type average here, and after that, let me write this formula equals, then average, and then I need to select this particular data range. Now, one thing I need to do here, that is, I need to select this data and I need to mention it as an absolute reference. So what I'll do, I'll press F4. If you remember that we learned this particular trick earlier, that how we can use F4 function key to make an absolute reference. So my formula is ready now. Let me hit enter. And this is my average. Now what I need to do, I need to just drag this down to all other cells. So this is my average. And I have this running average calculated. Now our next step is we need to go back to our chart. We need to select that. You can see that currently this particular 2 columns are selected. And what we need to do, we just need to drag it further to this column also. So now you can see that another additional data bar got added in the existing chart, and you can see that values are same. However, we have a different requirement here. We need a line chart in this particular average so that there will be a single line which will demonstrate the running average. So to change the type, let me select this particular series. So if I click on that, then I need to go to design tab, and there you can see the change chart type, this particular button. If I click on that, a new pop-up will come. If you are using Excel 2016 or a later version, you will find this combo option there. In the previous version, it was not there. So you just need to ensure that you are using a latest version, which is at least 2016 or later. So here, if I click on this combo, and then I go to this particular drop down, and from there, if I select a line chart, then you can see this particular trend line has been added. And I just need to click OK. So now we have our trend line there. Now let's see that if this particular trend line is getting updated or not. If I change any of the value, so let's pick up this one, this 13,700. Let me make it as a bigger number. Now we can see it just got dynamically updated, and this average line also got updated. So this is an useful option. Sometimes I saw people just go to insert shape and there they add a line and they try to draw it there, but those are static one, right? Because here once you are updating the data, this will also get updated dynamically. So this may be another feature which will be very, very useful during your day-to-day work. Hopefully this will be also helpful. Let us move to our next video.